Hey, and welcome to another episode of Dunster House TV. Today we're speaking to Mark, who knew he wanted to work from home, and after looking at different log cabins and garden offices, found everything he needed in our Titania garden office.
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm a relationship manager for a large insurance company, and this is my office that I use now. I work from home. I wanted a garden office because I think, like most people, living and working in the same place can be quite difficult and quite distracting. Everyday life just going on, and also finding myself dipping into emails at the weekend or late in the evening because the laptop was just there. So having a space outside meant that work and home could be separate. And this was the best example I found of an office where you didn't need certain permissions to put it up, and it gave me everything I needed, the PVC doors and windows, and fully insulated all the way around. When I was thinking about what I wanted in the office, I knew that it was a place that I wanted to work, but I also wanted to feel quite comfortable. So I kind of bought a new desk to kind of go with the new office, and then thought about the soft furnishings around it and making sure it was a comfortable place. I really enjoy interior design, so the artwork kind of was the start off to where I wanted to go, and then added the bits of furniture in, so there was a place for me to work, a place for me to kind of sit when I needed some quiet time, and then also adding a TV just for those little breaks you need during the day. Having the garden office, I think it's definitely made a difference to the way we use the garden. We've kind of moved some bits and pieces around to kind of make it work, and I use the outside lights as part of the full lighting I have in the garden, so they match the colours, etc., so it brings the whole garden to life. I think it's great as an office, but also we find kind of in the sort of at the weekend we'll kind of sit down because the sun really beams down here, and we'll just kind of chill out if we're doing things. So it's going to be, I think in the summer it'll become not just an office but a bit more of a hangout in the garden in the evening, just with some music, etc. as well. But I think the main thing with the Dunster House is it was literally put it together in a day and a half, and it's fantastic. It's sturdy and it does the job really well.
And that's all for this week's episode of Dunster House TV. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you never miss an episode.